In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Confluence space permissions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your space's permission controls, review who has access, and assign the right role so your content stays secure and easy to manage. First, open your Confluence site and head to the main home screen. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Spaces. This is where all the spaces you have access to are listed. Click Spaces to open the directory, then select the specific space you want to manage. If you're part of many projects, use the search or filtering to quickly find the right one. On the Spaces Overview page, look for the three-dot menu next to the space name or in the header. Click that menu and choose Space Settings. You'll need the appropriate permissions to access these settings. Typically, space admins can manage them. Inside Space Settings, go to the Users section. This is where you'll manage who can do what within the space. Use the search field to look up a person or a group you want to adjust. Searching helps you quickly locate the exact account, especially in larger organizations. When you find the user you want to update, click the three dots next to their name and choose Manage Access. This opens the role assignment panel for that individual within this space. Now, choose the most appropriate role. Admin grants full control over the space, including space settings and permissions, and is best reserved for trusted owners or stewards of the space. Manager is great for power users who need to organize pages, manage labels, and oversee content without necessarily changing every space-wide setting. Collaborator fits teammates who create and edit pages, upload files, and comment. Perfect for day-to-day contributors. Viewer is read-only access, ideal for stakeholders who need visibility without editing. If you're unsure, start with the least access needed and adjust upward later. That principle helps maintain a secure, tidy workspace. Exact capabilities can vary by site configuration, so match the role to the responsibility you want the person to have. After selecting the role, click Save. Your changes apply immediately to this space. It's a good idea to let the user know to refresh their browser if they had the space open, and verify they can do exactly what they need. Nothing more, nothing less. If something looks off, return to the same menu and adjust the role again. That's it. You've navigated to your space, opened space settings, reviewed users, managed access, chosen the right role, and saved your changes. Follow this process anytime you need to fine-tune who can view, edit, or administer a Confluence space.